Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Klarna on AliExpress. So firstly, open up AliExpress and then just pick an item that you wish to purchase. So just add it to your cart and then get to this section where you are with the payment section, to the payment methods. All right, so for example here, just browse an option, browse a product, send it. For example, I'm using this phone here, so I'm going to order this phone. So select it and then just get to the payment section. So type in your address and everything. So when you get to this payment method option here you should see Klarna here, if your region supports Klarna. So if it doesn't, so what you can do, you can also use the Klarna digital card if you want to use Klarna on AliExpress. So to do that, what you have to do, select the card, add a new card option. So once you select the new card option, now what you can do, you can go to your Klarna and then create a digital card that you can use to pay for this that you can use to pay on your AliExpress. So to create that, so go to your Klarna app, and then what you can do, if you go to install and then search for your store, which is AliExpress. All right, so search for AliExpress. So when you get to AliExpress here, what are you going to do, you go to click on this so when you get to this all right, so when you get to this AliExpress here, so what you can do, you can generate a digital card. So click on create a digital card, and I just created mine. So once you just plug in the value, so you should get a your Klarna digital card here. So once you get it, so what you can do, you can straight away use this card here. All right, so once you have generated your digital card, so what you can do, so once you have your digital card here, so for that you generated, so what you can do, you can use this card information here and then use this, and then you can pay or use this card information on your payment session here, and then proceed with the payments. So in that way you can use Klarna on AliExpress. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.